ପିତ ପରି ପିତା as bitter as gall, କୋଇଲା ପରି କଳା as black as coal, ବାଦୁଡ଼ି ପରି ଅନ୍ଧ as blind as bat, କାଚ ପରି ଭଙ୍ଗୁର as brittle as glass, ପ୍ରଜାପତି ପରି ଚଞ୍ଚଳ as bricks as butterfly, ସିଂହ ପରି ସାହସୀ as brave as lion, ମହୁମାଛି ପରି ବ୍ୟସ୍ତ as busy as bee, ସୁନା ପରି ଉଜ୍ଜ୍ୱଳ as bright as gold, ପାଗ ପରି ପରିବର୍ତ୍ତନଶୀଳ as changeable as weather, ଖମ୍ବ ପରି କାଲା as deep as a post, ଧୂଳି ପରି ଶୁଖିଲା as dry as dust, ନବାବ ପରି ମାତାଲା as drunk as a lord, କୂଅ ପରି ଗଭୀର as deep as well, ପଥର ପରି ନିର୍ଜୀବ as dead as stone, ଗୋଲାପ ପରି ତାଜା as fresh as a rose, ଶିଶିର ପରି ତାଜା as fresh as dew, ଚଟାଣ ପରି ଦୃଢ଼ as firm as a rock, କାକୁଡ଼ି ପରି ଶୀତଳ as cool as cucumber, ମାର୍ବଲ ପରି ଥଣ୍ଡା as cold as marble, ଶୃଗାଳ ପରି ଚତୁର as cunning as fox, ପିଚୁ ପରି କଳା as dark as peach, ଘାସ ପରି ସବୁଜ as green as grass, ସୁନା ପରି ଭଲ as good as gold, ନ୍ୟାୟାଧୀଶ ପରି ଗମ୍ଭୀର as grave as judge, ହଂସ ପରି ସୁନ୍ଦର as graceful as a swan, କାଉ ପରି କର୍କଶ as harsh as a crow, ରାଜା ପରି ଖୁସି as happy as a king, ମେଣ୍ଢାଛୁଆ ପରି ନମ୍ର as meek as a lamb, ପାହାଡ଼ ପରି ପୁରୁଣା as old as the hills, ପବନ ପରି ମୁକ୍ତ as free as wind, ସାରଙ୍ଗୀ ପରି fit as fiddle, ପ୍ରଜାପତି ପରି ଲୋକ ଦେଖାଣିଆ as gaudy as a butterfly, ମେଣ୍ଢାଛୁଆ ପରି ଧୀର as gentle as a lamb, ବିଲୁଆ ପରି ଲୋଭୀ as greedy as wolf, ଚିନ୍ତା ପରି ଜଲ୍ଦି as quick as a thought, ଗୋଲାପ ପରି ଲାଲ as red as rose, ବଲ୍ ପରି ଗୋଲ as round as a ball, ଖୁର ପରି ଧାର as sharp as a razor, ସୂତା ପରି ପତଳା as slender as thread, ମୃତ୍ୟୁ ପରି ନିଶ୍ଚିତ as sure as death, ଲହୁଣୀ ପରି ନରମ as soft as butter, ମୟୂର ପରି ଅଭିମାନୀ as proud as a peacock, ସୁନା ପରି ସତ୍ୟ as true as gold, ଠେକୁଆ ପରି ଭୀରୁ as timid as a hare, ମାଙ୍କଡ଼ ପରି ଚାଲାକ as tricky as a monkey, ଘୋଡ଼ା ପରି ସବଳ as strong as a horse, ଗଧ ପରି ମୂର୍ଖ as stupid as a donkey, ମହୁ ପରି ମିଠା as sweet as honey, ତୀର ପରି ତୀକ୍ଷ୍ଣ as swift as an arrow, ବରଫ ପରି ଧଳା as white as snow, ବାଜ ପରି ସତର୍କ, as watchful as a hawk,